So I got a little bit of smoke. We got our new bees in today. I got 2 new nucs. That's 2 different hives. I got 2 hives that we're setting up. Inside of here is probably about 3,000 or 4,000 bees, worker bees, females. All of them are females. There's probably about 5 or 6 drones in here, and then a queen in each one of them. The queen is inside of a smaller cell or a cage with a couple of the drones, hopefully mating and ready to start making babies whenever we put them in there. We're only going to put, we'll actually kind of pull it out, set the queen aside for a second, but I'll just kind of talk through it. But we're going to give them a little smoke because they're a little bit agitated today. I think some of it is the weather. You hear how their rhythm changes. Sounds like they get more agitated to me, but the smoke kind of helps calm them down. Put that aside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the 2 middle frames in here, set them aside, and then we're going to start working on opening up one of these. Let's get that out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and loosen the queen. The queen is attached to this little strap here. It really staples her down. And you'll see here in a second, she's in a separate cage. So I'm going to try to loosely open this. The bees kind of glued it a little bit. I'm going to set that aside because we're going to need that again in a minute. Look at that staple. I think they got a little carried away. And then keep this tight. Might need my bare hands for this. I'm going to easily pull this up and then pull the queen out so that I don't drop her in there. Tight. Somebody wanted to be really precise with this hole. There we go. So some came out. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to put this back right now. And so the queen is in there, and you cannot see her because the bees are all over her right now. But let's see. On the window on that side. Try not to squish any of them. They get mad whenever you squish them. So you can see in here. Queen is in there, and there's some drones in there. This is a piece of what they call candy. She will slowly eat out of that. There's a little cork on that side I've got to pull off that once she eats through that, she'll come out of that hole. If for some reason after about 4 days she has not made it out, there's another cork on this side I can pull, and then she will definitely come out. But you see, they're highly protecting their queen, but she's in there. So let's set her aside. Tell you what, let's see. Now they got all that old glue that they make all over my gloves. That's what they're on that. I need to split these apart. Good healing. The last ones I got, I didn't have this much trouble. They must have got a new guy. I guess you gotta be a bit of a carpenter too. Alright. What you do is really interesting. The first time I read it, I thought, surely that won't work. Well, you just take them and you just give them a little tap, and a bunch of them fall. And you give them one more tap, and they just kind of all fall to the bottom. So that way they don't all just fly up into your face right there. Now they've been traveling with the queen, so they're already accustomed to her smell. And you just turn it over, and you just start shaking them out. Now they're not all going to just come out, but the majority of them will. And they'll start sorting themselves out in there. And then eventually I'll just set this right there by it, and the rest of them will come out. If you look in there, really the bulk of them, you can look down in there. The bulk of them are down there in the bottom. I'm going to set this side right here, just with the open. Let's address the queen. I got to get my pocket knife out. Forehand.